Alright, let's talk about WinRM. It's basically Windows' way of saying, I got this, when it comes to remote administration. Now, Ansible uses WinRM to talk to Windows machines, because, well, SSH isn't always an option. Think of it like choosing between texting and calling. And what does this mean? You get smooth automation for Windows without the headache of setting up SSH. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Security is important. Nobody wants their data casually strolling around the internet like it's on vacation. WinRM uses HTTPS, so certificates are involved. But here's the catch. Self-signed certificates can be tricky, causing validation errors in Ansible. And if validation goes wrong, say hello to troubleshooting time. So, ensuring proper authentication makes life easier. Now, let's talk about ignoring certificate validation. Ansible gives you an escape hatch. Just set Ansible WinRM server cert validation equals ignore. Easy fix, right? Well, skipping validation is like leaving your front door unlocked. It's convenient but risky. Yes, it helps avoid setup hassles, but proceed with caution. Security, my friends, is no joke. Ignoring certificate validation can expose your setup to attacks. Ever heard of man-in-the-middle attacks? Yep, those sneaky intrusions thrive when validation is skipped. So while convenience is tempting, securing your connections is key. The best approach: a solid balance between ease of use and security best practices. Picture this: you're sending a secret message, but someone's eavesdropping. That's what happens when we ignore certificate validation. It's an open invitation for attackers to step in. They can pretend to be legitimate servers, grabbing sensitive information like login credentials. It's like handing over your house keys to a stranger just because they say they look trustworthy. A secure connection needs validated certificates, no exceptions. Imagine boarding a plane without checking if your pilot is certified. Terrifying, right? Using untrusted certificates is just as risky in production environments. Trusted certificates act like official ID, ensuring that your data travels securely and doesn't end up in the wrong hands. Sure, self-signed certificates might work in test setups, but in real-world applications, they can leave doors wide open for attackers. Trustworthy certificates equals trustworthy connections. If HTTPS is giving you headaches with certificates, fear not. Alternative authentication methods like NTLM and Kerberos are here to help. Think of Kerberos as an exclusive VIP pass. Once verified, you're good to access everything securely. NTLM, on the other hand, is more like a quiz. The server challenges you, and if you answer correctly, you get through. Both provide secure authentication without the certificate drama. Certificates are great, but sometimes authentication can be handled another way. NTLM makes sure credentials stay secure with a challenge response setup. Kerberos, on the other hand, brings in the big guns. A domain controller that vouches for you, making it nearly impossible for attackers to sneak in. So if HTTPS certificates are causing chaos, switching to NTLM or Kerberos can keep things smooth. Here's the deal: plain old passwords traveling over the network can be risky. Kerberos fixes that by using tickets like digital boarding passes, proving your identity without exposing your password every time. It's a game changer for enterprise security, making sure credentials stay safe while enabling secure access across systems. Basically, it's a smart and hassle-free way to boost security. In a nutshell, WinRM security boils down to this: trust your certificates, secure your authentication, and configure settings correctly. Ansible automation relies on secure connections, and a properly set up WinRM keeps everything locked down from unwanted access. Think of it like securing your digital fortress. One solid setup prevents countless attacks. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.